Hello and welcome to Simulab Insights. Today we will focus on the series operation of a transformer using MATLAB. This video will provide a clear and detailed simulation. So yeah, let's get started. First, let's briefly discuss what series operation of transformer entails. Basically, in a series operation, two or more transformers are connected in such a way that the secondary windings are in series with each other. This configuration is often used to achieve a higher voltage output than what a single transformer can provide. In this simulation, we will be using MATLAB Simulink to model and analyze the behavior of transformers connected in series. In this circuit diagram, we can see how the connections are made at the secondary side. So now, let's open Simulink and create a blank model. Double-click on the screen and add the AC voltage source. And after that, add the transformer and make it for two-winding transformer. Add the voltage measurement block for measuring the voltages. Then we will change the parameters of transformer and AC voltage source. We should ensure that for both the transformers, the primary windings voltages should be same for series operation.